HTML screens come alive when media elements are added to them. Pictures, videos, and even sound files can be added to these screens by following the steps we'll cover here. It's important to understand that HTML code requires media to be added by way of a location or source code, like a URL address. While larger files like video and sound files need to be accessed from online sources, pictures can be first imported to the app and then used from within. This ensures the pictures will always be on the HTML screen because they live on the app. So start by creating a photo gallery for all of the pictures you want to use in the app. When you click on the thumbnail for the photo you want to add to an HTML screen, the editor reveals a URL, which is assigned to the app's resources. Select the entire URL address and copy it. Then save the screen as PhotoBank. Now return to your HTML screen and open its editor. In that window, click the spot where you want to place the photo, and then click the Insert Image button. When the new window appears, copy the URL you got from your PhotoBank into the source field. Next, click on the first Dimensions field. Whatever the number is there, change it to a workable size for a mobile app screen, like 285. When you click on the second Dimensions field, that number will automatically adjust to the correct size. Take a look at the picture that now appears on the screen. While it's still highlighted in the editor, you can adjust things like size and alignment very easily. When you're done, be sure to save the screen. Adding pictures this way eliminates any chance of broken links showing up on an HTML-based screen. It's worth the effort.